As we grow older, each day extra pounds tend to park themselves around our midsection. I know most of us might have accepted these changes as inevitable fact of aging and stressful work life. But do you know what? As our waistlines grow, so do our health risks. Abdominal or visceral fat is of particular concern because it's a key player in variety of health issues, much more so than subcutaneous fat, the fat which you can grab from your hand. Visceral fat, on the other hand, is out of reach deep within the abdominal cavity, where it pads the spaces between our abdominal organs. Visceral fat has been linked to metabolic disturbances and increased risk of cardiovascular disease and type 2 diabetes. In women, it is associated to breast cancer and the need for gallbladder surgery.
Friends, please watch the video till the end to know exactly what you can do to get rid of these health issues. If you will skip it in between, then you will miss out the very important part of the video. Everything that I am going to tell is interrelated and has a particular sequence. So please follow it with patience and I'm sure you will appreciate it at the end. After all, this is for your health. So please keep watching.
So friends, tell me, do you want to shed that dangerous life-risking fat? Or have you already lost all the hopes of losing that fat and have made peace with it? Do you want to live a life full of compromises? Or do you want to enjoy that samosa and gulab jamun for rest of your life? Or do you want to be on a lifelong medication? Hello friends, welcome to my channel Fat to Fitness. This is Saubhagya. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you are the first person to get all the updates on my latest videos. And please like this video now so that you do not forget by the end of this video, and share it with your friends. Send me your comments in the comment section and let me know how your weight loss journey is going on and what you would like to hear from me. In today's video, I'm going to share some exercises with you which you can do at home without going to gym, without any equipments. These exercises are so effective and powerful that you will start seeing your belly shrink from day one. And not just the belly fat, you will start seeing your entire body weight going down. And trust me, you will see that decrease in your weight from day one on your weighing scale, provided you are sincere.
So friends, let's check out the workouts. Some of these exercises work on full body and some work on specific part. I'll describe each and every workout to you and how it is performed and its benefits. So our first exercise is alternate toe touch. Lie down on the floor with your back pressed against the floor and extend your hands overhead, legs straight, slightly wider than shoulder width apart. As you breathe out, crunch up, raise the left leg and right hand up to touch each other. Hold for a count and feel the contraction in your abdominal muscles. Breathe in and release back to starting position. Repeat on the other side, raising the right leg and left hand up to touch each other. That's 1 rep. Remember to keep your arms and legs straight. Avoid bending your knees. If you cannot touch your toes, just aim to reach as far as you can. Do not just let your legs and arms fall. Keep your core tight to slowly lower them down while resisting the force of gravity. You should feel your lower abs, back, hamstring and hip flexors. Actually, no better way to work on those six-pack abs than with our alternating toe touch crunch exercise. Best of all, you can perform this core exercise anywhere. You will literally target the whole abdominal wall, which is lower abs, transverse abdominals and external obliques in one amazing moment. The toe touch looks simple enough, and it is, but attention to form is critical to keep your back healthy and to make the move as effective as possible. Engage your abs as you crunch up and down with control to get the most out of the movement. Now, this one is really important. Stretching out your lower back and hamstrings via toe touches also help to boost circulation, meaning that post exercise repair is speedier and more efficient. And the more blood and oxygen you get to your joints, the better for long term mobility and well as short term gains and preventing falls. Alright friends, so let's check out our exercise number 2, which is cross body mountain climbing, which is also called as running planks. Climbing a mountain would be a daunting workout to most, but what if the mountain is the floor? That's the concept behind mountain climbers. Performed from a plank position, you will alternate bringing one knee to your chest, then back out again, speeding up each time until you are running against the floor. While it sounds simple, mountain climber exercise nearly entire body and are sure to get your heart rate up. Your quads and core get an especially good workout too. The crossbody mountain climber is a core and abs exercise that targets and strengthens the entire abdominal region. The twisting movement of the exercise actively engages the oblique and hip flexors. Your upper body also benefits from this movement. For some, it's part of their arm workout too. Here's how to do it. Get down into a push-up position with your hands right under your upper body, slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Your body should form a straight line from the feet to your head. Keep your abs and core tightened the entire time. Bring one knee towards the opposite elbow. Return to the starting position to repeat on the other side. Do 12 to 15 reps per side. Mountain climbers are a killer exercise that get your heart rate up fast while also firing nearly every muscle group in the body. Deltoids, biceps, triceps, chest, obliques, abdominal, quads, hamstring and hip abductors. It is truly a full body workout. Cross-body mountain climbers are great for building cardio endurance, core strength and agility. You work several different muscle groups with mountain climbers. Okay friends, so let's check out our third exercise, which is push-ups. It is the most versatile exercise a person can do. Push-ups are beneficial for building upper body strength. They work the triceps, pectoral muscle and shoulders. When done with proper form, they can also strengthen the lower back, core by engaging pulling in the abdominal muscles. Push-ups are a fast and effective exercise for building strength. The target areas are chest, arms, shoulders and core. It is a compound exercise that uses muscles in the chest, shoulders, triceps, back, abs and even the legs. Let's check out how it is done. Get on the floor on all fours, positioning your hands slightly wider than your shoulders. Extend your legs back so that you are balanced on your hands and toes. Keep your body in a straight line from head to toe without sagging in the middle or arcing your back. You can position your feet to be close together or a bit wider depending on what is most comfortable for you. Contract your abs and tighten your core by pulling your belly button towards your spine. Alright, let's check out exercise number 4, wide hand push-ups. We will begin with the same position, but hands slightly wider at the shoulder level. So before you begin any movement, contract your abs and tighten your core by pulling your belly button towards your spine. Keep a tight core throughout the entire push-up. Inhale as you slowly bend your elbows and lower yourself until your elbows are at 90-degree angle. Exhale as you begin contracting your chest muscles and pushing back up through your hands to start position. Don't lock your elbows, keep them slightly bent. Push-up activate your entire body, which is one of the reasons they are considered a functional exercise. It enhances your cardiovascular system. Okay friends, let's check out our exercise number 5, which is skipping rope. Skipping rope is considered as full body workout in just 15 minutes. It tones entire body muscle and creates definition. It helps in losing weight really fast. It builds stamina. It keeps your heart in great condition. It is a great for eye and hand coordination, lateral movement and speed and agility. It is good for your lymphatic system. Easy, fast and inexpensive fitness equipment. Do you know 1 hour of rope skipping will burn up to 1600 calories? The effort it takes to jump rope for 10 minutes is the equivalent of running a mile in 8 minutes. Skipping is a full body workout which uses your abdominals to stabilize the body, legs for jumping, shoulders and arms for turning the rope. Skipping improves coordination, stamina and focus. It is less jolting on your joints than running. Once you have bought your rope, skipping is a zero cost workout. Skipping helps to improve heart rate and blood pressure. Okay friends, so our next exercise, number 6, is spot jogging, which means jogging in one place. Spot jogging in place can be an effective way to burn calories, helping you to lose weight. It's easier to do than jogging outside or on a treadmill. And the fact that you can do it inside, away from the heat in summer and cold in winter, can help you stick to this as an exercise routine. Advantage of spot jogging is you can work out anywhere. It prevents chronic disease. It is a full body workout. It will build muscle, lose weight faster. So here are some key things to remember. While jogging in place or spot jog, pump your arms as you jog. The more you move your body, the more calories you will burn as you work out. Engaging your arms is an effective way to up the burn. Lift your knees higher to increase your heart rate. If you want to really get your heart pumping, you can bring your knees up high. Your thighs should be parallel with the ground. Increase your speed as well. The faster you jog in place, the more intense your workout will be. Alternate period of intensity with periods of recovery. It can be difficult to sustain high intensity phases for a long time, but that doesn't mean you shouldn't do them. Work out as hard as you can, as long as you can, and then bring it down to an easier jog to recover. And that's all.
Friends, health is a very serious matter. Please tell me, do you want to enjoy eating samosas or gulab jamun for the rest of your life? Or do you want to be on a lifelong medication for some or the other health issue? If you think our life is meant to enjoy every moment, and not just the present moment, but rest of your life, you have to make some serious commitments to yourself today. It is now or never. I'm sure nobody enjoys those 10 different types of pills on their plate instead of 10 different types of food. Tell me, which one do you want to choose? Don't delay until it is too late to respond. Don't keep your health in the back seat. For God's sake, for your own sake. Also, please make sure you're eating healthy food throughout the day. Check out these videos for full day diet plan.
So friends, these are some videos that I have made on full diet plan for weight loss. The link is in the description box below. Please check them out. I have provided plenty of options both for veg and non-veg. Please try to follow these for effective weight loss.
And these are some fat cutter drinks that I take every day regularly, which aids in my fat loss.
And here are some options for fat cutter drink or detox drink, which you can add in your daily routine, as first thing in the morning you can have them, or at night before bedtime. So here I am providing 5 options. You can do 1 drink per week and then switch.
I have been following these diet plans and I take these fat cutter drinks personally, and I have lost 12 kgs so far. And that is why I'm suggesting it to you for your fast weight loss.
Friends, that's right. You can lose weight with diet alone, but exercise is an important component. Without it, only a portion of your weight loss is from fat. You are also stripping away muscle and bone density. Exercise helps you lose weight by burning mostly fat. Diet alone won't do that. And because muscles take up less space than fat, exercise will help your clothes fit better. Exercise also helps boost your metabolism, meaning you will burn more calories all day long.
So friends, if you enjoyed watching this video, then please give a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and help them lose weight. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please do subscribe and support me. That will actually give me an indication to do more such informational and transformation videos for you. So friends, do you want to spend rest of your life eating 10 different type of pills or 10 different type of food? Ask yourself. This is Saubhagya signing off. Remember, you can make a difference. Bye.